All right, more breaking updates coming in of the politics that's playing out. The TMC has stepped up pressure on the BJP over airport roof collapse. The TMC spokesperson Riju Datta saying that this happened because Prime Minister Modi hurriedly inaugurated Terminal 1 even though it was under construction.
It's a tragedy and it's a national shame. The photogeevi Prime Minister, in his desperate need to inaugurate airports, inaugurate religious institutions, religious places, he has forced the engineers to cut corners, and that is a direct result of such tragedies. What is happening in Delhi airport? What is happening in Jabalpur airport? What is happening with Prabhu Ram Mandir in Ayodhya? The roof is leaking. What has happened to the Ayodhya rail station today after rains? It is completely underwater. What happened to the Pragati Maidan tunnels, which was inaugurated by Mr. Narendra Modi? It is completely flooded.
Let's go across to my colleague Priyank, who's joining us on the broadcast with the details. Priyank, politics playing out with the opposition saying that this is a terminal which was hurriedly inaugurated. The aviation minister issuing a clarification that this was not part of the inauguration. But unfortunately, in this political blame game, it is the common man that has suffered, one life being lost, 8 others being injured.
Yeah, certainly, Pratibha, there's an investigation which has been initiated by the airport authorities also, looking into the lapses which has resulted to death of one individual who was waiting for the pickup of the passenger. He was a taxi driver. But on the other side, what locals have also spoken to the Times Network, they are saying that there was a lightning which happened, and soon after that, this particular structure collapsed. Unfortunately, the politics has started in this particular issue, knowing the fact that the inauguration by the Bharatiya Janata Party's top leadership of this airport was the point which was picked up by the opposition, and Priyanka Gandhi was in the initial...
So politics playing out, and a probe has been ordered, like you mentioned. Priyank, for the moment, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details.